Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
This February will make it 36 months since Senator Diri assumed leadership of the glory of all lands, Bayelsa State, as its governor. Within this period, the man who is described as the miracle governor has embarked on several projects and programs to promote what he describes as the prosperity government for all Bayelsans. As it has become traditional, Senator Diri once again rolled out the drums to celebrate 3 years in office as governor of Bayelsa State. His celebrations are usually not about dancing and drinking, but about commissioning of several projects around the state.
February 14, 2020 was the day Senator Diri and Senator Lawrence Erujakpo were both sworn in as governor and deputy governor of Bayelsa State. It was some sort of miracle as Senator Diri, who had lost the governorship election to the APC, was reinstated as the duly elected governor by the Supreme Court 24 hours before the swearing-in. Reflecting on the circumstances of his emergence as the governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Diri swore to work assiduously to bring prosperity to all Bayelsans. So, in the last 3 years, Senator Diri has made great strides in developing Bayelsa State. Already, accolades are pouring in for the miracle governor, confirming his sterling performance in governance. Only recently, Senator Diri was recognized as the best governor in Nigeria of the year 2022 by the Sun newspapers. To celebrate his 3rd year in office this year, the Bayelsa State governor has lined up so many projects for commissioning. First was the inauguration of a new complex for the Bayelsa Health Insurance Scheme, BHIS, in Yenagoa. According to Governor Diri, the BHIS house was constructed to give workers a befitting office space to implement the health insurance scheme and ensure that the health system of Bayelsa State was on the right track.
This health scheme was initiated by my immediate predecessor, Alias Ofroma Pepe. We looked at it and we saw the benefits, the enormous benefits to our people. And we decided to continue with it, not only to continue with it, but expand it. And today, it has been expanded beyond the formal sector. It has included the informal sector in our state.
The BHIS house was inaugurated by the Delta State Governor, Dr. AKUGHA, who commended the Diri administration for the program, said the Bayelsa State Health Insurance Scheme was one of the very few in the country that is functional. Also commissioned last week was a modern transport terminal in Igbogene, Yenagoa. The transport terminal is equipped with a medical center, lounges, administrative offices, amongst other facilities. Governor Diri urged transporters within and outside the state to make good use of the 2-winged transport terminal.
Now to all of our transporters who are coming in from other states, who has transport terminals all across, littered all across our state. Today marks the end of it. All transporters will terminate at this point. The state government has already procured vehicles that will take commuters from here to their destinations inside of Yenagoa.
The transport terminal was commissioned by former Governor Senator Henry Seriake Dixon, who praised Governor Diri for completion of the project.
Bayelsa for the first time is seeing continuity. Bayelsa's continuity is not a bad thing. Continuity in government, in terms of projects, in terms of policies, while also doing your own new things, new ideas. That's what we expect.
A newly remodeled judges' quarters in Opolo, Yenagoa, was also inaugurated by Senator Diri to provide accommodation for judges in Bayelsa State. Several other projects have been lined up for commissioning during Governor Diri's 3rd anniversary in office.
Inside the Niger Delta,